Right. So you were asking me a little bit on your email about the problems where you're trying to find a distance and you only know one point. Um, so the problem that I saw on your homework version of 0.1 asked you to find points that had x coordinate equal to 3. I think it was 3. It might have been -3, but we can show how to do the problem this way. X coordinate equal to 3 and a y coordinate such that the distance from the point to -1, 6 is 5. And so we're looking for points that look like so. Okay? And I happen to know a little bit by experience that they're 3y. What you know is that the distance equals square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. And we know the distance we want set equal to 5. We want one of these points to be the point -1, -6. So that'll be our first point. We know that the x coordinate of our second point in both cases is going to be 3. And our x coordinate in the second case, or our y coordinate in the second case, is going to be y. So now we just solve this. Ha, you say. So I square both sides. So 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25. And the square root of something times itself is going to just remove the square root symbol. So I have -4 squared plus -6 minus y squared. So 25 is equal to 16 plus first squared, -6 times -6 is 36. Last squared, -y times -y is +y squared. Twice the product of the middle two, -6y is +12y. Okay? And this is all equal to 25. Well, to solve a quadratic, we solve anything with y squared, we're going to want to put everything over onto one side. So we're going to set everything equal to 0. So we're going to move this 25, subtract 25 from both sides, and then do some combining here. So I have 0 equals 36 plus 16 is 52. 52 minus 25 is 27, plus 12y plus y squared. And you have a lot of ways to solve this at this point. One way is to solve by factoring. Let's get it in a more standard order. Okay. We can factor this out. Two things that multiply to give 27 add up to give 12 are +9 and +3. We have two things that multiply together to give 0. What we know is then one of them is 0, and so we have either y plus 9 equals 0 or y plus 3 equals 0. Therefore, y equals -9 or y equals -3. And those are the two values. The 2 points then are 3, -3 and 3, -9. Hope that helps.